match the words with the pictures. So you have to draw a line between the word and the picture. Number 1, lip, lip. I have 2 lips. This is the upper lip and this is the lower lip. What about the second one? Would you please read it? Dip, dip. To dip in a liquid. Zip, zip your jacket. This is the zipper, right? Rip, to rip a paper. To rip the paper apart. Sip, to drink a small amount of a liquid. As you notice that these words have the same ending sounds. Lip, dip, zip, rip, sip, ip, 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 ip.